welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You know, it all depends on where you're watching or when you see this video. If you're coming across my video for the first time, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't be in a hurry to go. And for my old subscribers, you guys are awesome. And for my returnees, you guys are wonderful. Thank you so much for growing this channel with me. So it's a beautiful Tuesday morning. I just took my girls to school and now I'm in front of the supermarket. Guess what is happening today? Today is 13th of October and it's my princess birthday. I got two princesses, so which of them is Princess Kayla's birthday? So Kayla is precisely 3 years old today. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Like, I'm so happy that now baby Kayla is 3 years old and we're not going to be celebrating the birthday anyway, but we just want to do a little surprise for Kayla. Like, now that she's in school, we'll just order a cake for her and do a little surprise for her, you know. So that is where I am now. I'll be buying her a gift. From here I'll be going to the supermarket to get some stuff like chicken, turkey, and we're going to be preparing just a little chicken fried rice as well. So that is what is popping today, guys. That is what is popping, and I'm so excited. Kayla is a special child. I called her special. Why? Because I personally went to the hospital. I remember vividly that day. I personally alone went to the hospital, gave birth to Kayla Jejeje, and brought it to the father. Why? Because my husband was unable to go with me because something happened that year, so he couldn't follow me to the hospital. I went there alone, gave birth to Kayla alone. Like, when I got to the hospital, I remember the doctor were like, "You are here alone, nobody with you." I said, "No, nobody with me." Then the daughter, I remember, she said, she was a woman, a lady. She said, "Don't worry, your husband gave you to me. And don't worry, I'll be your husband for today." Even with the pains I was passing through, I smiled, you know. And finally, Kayla came out and she was such a beautiful and adorable princess with 3.750 kg. She was so big, like, and she was so cute. So today we're going to be celebrating Kayla. She's 3 years old, so I'm going to be carrying you guys along. First, I have almost everything at home. I have red bell pepper. I have the gray one. Okay, I don't have carrots, so I'll get carrot, I'll get turkey, every other thing, I have it at home. So I do believe hubby gave me 50 euros for today's birthday party, 50 euros. And I ordered a cake for 30 euros. How much is remaining? 20 euros. And inside that 20 euro, he said, "You have everything at home. Now, what do you want to buy?" And so inside that 20 euro now, I'll see what gift I can buy for her. I will add my own money. That is how we mothers are. So I'll definitely add my own money. I'll buy her a gift, maybe buy turkey for 4 to 5 euros, and the 50 euro will be gone. So I don't have money to buy Kamara gift. Baby Keto is at home now. If you're surprised he's not here with me, yes, Baby Keto is at home because my husband is home. Yes, basically my husband is on 2 weeks holiday. Yes, it actually started last week, so he will be going back to work next week Monday. So when I left this morning, they were still sleeping. Hobby and Kento were still in bed sleeping, and when I was busy preparing the girls for school, and then yes, I woke up really late this morning, guys. I woke up late. I woke up 7:30. Normally, I woke up by 6:30 to prepare these girls for school. But today, I woke up 7:30, like an hour late. Why? Because, you know, hubby is at home. We gist last night. We got a lot to talk about. We talk about the kids, about the future. You know the talking I'm talking about now. You know the kind of gist I'm talking about. So we gist, and I slept late, and we slept late. So that is what is popping. So let me get into the supermarket and see what I can get as a gift for my princess. So stay tuned. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. So guys, I just got back from the supermarket. I'm home now, and I was able to get some gifts for my girl, for baby Kayla. And I got to, remember hubby gave me 50 euros, so I managed the 50 euro, and I end up just spending 15 euro of my money to eat. So everything I bought today cost me 65 euros, and that means it was 15 euro that I added to it of my own money. More that we must add our money. I don't know why. If not, it not go complete. So I end up buying this gift for Kayla. This is Kiss Doctor. You can see a kid's Dottore is written in Italian language, Kids Dottore. So it means Dottore in English means doctor. So these are kids doctor sets. Like I know sometimes I see Kayla trying to behave like a doctor. Kamara will be lying down, Kayla will be testing her body, like testing her temperature and all that. So I decided to buy her this. So if you want to become a doctor, so she can start on time. So that is why I bought her this doctor set. Everything she needs to be a doctor is in here. I know she's going to like it, and she loves babies as well. I wanted to buy her a toy, but she got some already, so no need for that. I bought her this, and I bought this one as well. It's a microphone that has sound in it. So I bought this to know that Kayla is really interested in music. The person that is a musician in this our house that loves singing is Kamara. Kamara can sing the whole day. So I bought this gift. The two gifts are for Kayla though, but I know Kayla is going to give this one to Kamara. So I bought this one so that Kayla, I know Kayla will reject this gift, but I'm going to give the both gift to her because it's her day, it's her birthday. So I know she will give this one to her sister. So that's why I bought this too. So I bought just these two gifts for them, for her, not them, for her. So because after all, Christmas is coming, and you know this Christmas period we're still going to buy more gifts. So this one is okay for her birthday, at least for now. So guys, I got some ingredients for the fried rice I told you. Remember, we're going to be preparing what is it called, chicken fried rice. We're going to be using chicken breast instead of gizzard or liver. So today I decided to use chicken breast, and our ingredients are almost ready. We have our carrot here, which I will be cutting with this. This is what I will be. So guys, this is the chicken breast we'll be using for the fried rice. Normally I love using, I told you guys I love using gizzard or liver, but today I decided to use chicken breast. And just so this is where, this is how. Yes, so guys, our ingredients for the fried rice are ready. They are all set. That is my fried tasty chicken there. I have my green peas. I have my aceto. I think the English name for aceto is vinegar. Please correct me if I'm wrong. That is the stock from the chicken. We're going to be using some maize from this fried rice, and I have my scotch bonnet. If you don't like pepper, you can skip that. So my green bell pepper is there, my ginger and fresh garlic is there. We have red bell pepper, carrots, my chicken breast, and the rest of them. Yeah, so these are the main ingredients we're going to be using for this fried rice, and it's going to be an awesome recipe. So we're going to be putting on spicing our chicken breast up now. I'm trying to put some spices on the chicken breast. You can see me adding up some spices, aromat, seasoning powders, blended garlic. What else did I add? I added thyme as well. So I'm going to be mixing it because we're not going to be boiling it. So now I have the water on the fire. And now I'm adding my stock to the water because the stock is not enough for me to boil the rice because the rice is kind of much. So I'm adding now curry to the water, which is already on the fire. And now I'm going to be adding curry, thyme, salt. I added salt as well, then 2 seasoning cubes. Remember the rice is much and we have some spices already on the stock, so I just added 2 seasoning cubes. So it depends on the quantity that you're making. So guys, I'm going to cover it up now and allow the water to boil. So now the water is boiling. I'm going to be adding my parboiled rice that I've washed already. The rice is washed, so I'm going to be adding my rice now to the boiling stock on the fire, and I'm going to cover it up and allow it to cook for some minutes. You know when rice they done be so it don't have to be too cooked. So now the rice is put aside, well cooked. Now I just added some vegetable oil to the fry pan. I'm about to fry my veggies now. So first I will be putting the chicken breast, which I've seasoned already, which I've added some spices already. Now I'm going to be frying it with my fry pan. I'm going to fry it and allow it to fry for some minutes. Put it in the vegetable oil, allow it to fry for some minutes, and put it aside as well. So guys, check it out. You can see how it's look right now, well fried. Yeah, so I'm going to be putting it aside, removing it from the fry pan, so I can also use the fry pan to fry my veggies. So guys, now I'm going to be putting my scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, I said before, skip it if you don't want. Then I will be adding my onions, chopped onions, yes, and I like to fry for some minutes. It is time for me to put on my veggies. We have the red bell pepper in there, carrot, the green peas, and what else do we have here? The green bell pepper, and I'm putting my fresh ginger and garlic now. If you're not using ginger and garlic for your fried rice, oh sweetheart, just check it out, try it, and you will come back and thank me. In fact, you go testify. So so I'm just try to stir everything together. Now it is time to add my seasoning powder. I'm just adding my seasoning powder now, some salt to taste, and then I'll be adding curry as well. You know, fried rice and curry na brother and sister. And now what else do I need to add? Yes, just curry, seasoning powder, and salt. So after 4 to 5 minutes, it is time for me to add my maize, which I just added. So I'm just going to stir everything together and allow it to fry a little bit again for like 2 minutes. And now I will be adding up my aceto, which I said is vinegar in English, but correct me if that is not the English name. So this one is also good for our recipe. And now I will be adding the fried chicken breast that that I put aside before. So I'm just going to stir everything together. Guys, check out the color. Look at how beautiful it is. So after 2 more minutes, our veggies is ready to be used. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to set some aside, leave some in the fry pan to fry my first portion of the rice. You saw the quantity of the rice, and that quantity I'm going to be dividing it into 4 portions. Like I'm going to be frying it 4 times. This is the first portion of the rice, and you can see how cute, should I use that word, cute it look. So I'm going to be frying it now for like 4-5 minutes. Remember, the rice don't have to be overcooked, even if it had to be cooked but not overcooked. Check out the down of my fry pan for you to know that the rice is well fried. So our fried rice is ready. Yes guys, welcome back. Yeah, we're about surprising Kayla right now. You know, my hubby just went to pick them up, Kayla and Kamara, and I've been cooking like just a little surprise birthday turned to something else. So we didn't even invite anybody, and I'll be trying to decorate my bed for Kayla. So I did a little decoration for her. Can you guys see it? Let me show you guys. So yes, this is Kayla's birthday cake. Yeah, and I did this decor for her. Wow, I know she's gonna like it, you know. So I did this little decor for her, and this is where she will be taking a picture. She will be cutting a cake here as well. So I just want the birthday to be on top of this bed. So guys, yes, so this is what she's going to put on. And yeah, so this is a new gown for her as well. And this, she's going to be putting on this. And this is baby Kayla's cake. Baby Kayla is 3 years old. So I did just a little decor for her. Kayla is a special child, you know, because I don't know, but I love her specially. Like, not that I don't love all my kids, so I love all my kids, but I love Kayla. She have a place somewhere special in my heart. Okay, so I'm so happy to surprise her this way, and I know when she grows up she's going to see it on YouTube. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. So let's keep our finger crossed and see how, if it's going to surprise her, though she's still a baby, but I just want to surprise her with this little birthday celebration. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Happy birthday, Kayla! Happy birthday, Kayla! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Kayla! Happy birthday to you! Hooray! Hooray! Happy birthday, Kayla! Are you surprised? Kelly, he's looking everywhere. Happy birthday! Kamara, you see, today is Kayla's birthday.
Kamara, say happy birthday for Kayla.
Happy birthday, Kayla. Happy birthday to Kayla. Happy birthday to Kayla.
Bravo! Today is Kayla's birthday. Oh, birthday girl. Happy birthday. Say thank you. Kelly. Kayla. Kayla is surprised.
Let me see your face. Wow. Birthday girl.
Wow! Today is Kayla's birthday. Yeah. Happy birthday, Kelly.
Happy birthday, Kayla.
Ate, Tante Aguri, Ate, Tante Aguri, Akela, Tante Aguri, birthday, girl.
So beautiful.
Happy birthday, baby. Kayla is 3. Birthday girl. But I yours good though. Kamara is a good girl.
Kamara is doing her birthday. If I travel, Kamara will do her birthday soon.
Yes. Kamara hear me abba. Mind no so a bit. Ayakela, try to dance. We'll put music for you now, okay? You are going to cut your cake. Time for Kayla to cut her birthday cake. So guys, give me J. Give me E. Kayla, look at here. Give me S. Give me U. Another S. Jesus. Aya, clap for Kayla. Happy birthday, Kayla. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kayla. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hip. Hooray. Kayla. Bravo, ya tanta guri. Ri ate. Hip hip hip. Hooray. Bravo. Wow, Kayla, you like your gift? You like it? Oh yeah, hold it and snap picture. Hold it. I mean, you want to be a doctor? Kayla wants to be a doctor.
Happy birthday, Kayla. And 1, and 2, and 3, stop.
Bravo! I'm present. Cake, I'm present. Cake, I'm present. Cake.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Eh, 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 eh. Brava, Kamara. Say happy birthday, Kayla. Aya, Kayla, carry your gift. You snap only Kayla with that one. Zia is sick. You go and test Zia. Go and test Zia. Zia is sick. Kayla, you want to test Zia? Okay. Zia is sick, or you go and test Zia. Hey. Even though you don't. Yes. Wow. It's beautiful. No. Yes. Take. Thank you. This is Dr. Kayla. Dr. Kayla is testing temperature. Kayla will get a job with doctor.
Yeah, wait, let's go. Get up. Yeah, get up. Yeah.
I didn't want to say one.
Yeah.
Mama eat teeth. Mama eat teeth.
This is my No. This is Dr. Kayla. Kayla is testing mommy's temperature. Kayla, you want to be a doctor, right? Kayla is a doctor. Yeah? Welcome back. Today is the next day, Today is the next day after Kayla's birthday celebration, So guys, yesterday I couldn't end the vlog because I was really tired. Did you guys notice that? Did you guys notice that I was unable to take my bath before Kayla returned from school? So my mind was just to do a little birthday surprise. That was what we planned, hubby and I. And I never knew it's going to take me almost the whole day. Like, it took us almost the whole day to prepare and prepare for the birthday, and thank God it was successful. Like you saw Kayla when she walked in, like when she came back from school, she was really surprised. She didn't believe herself. Though she's a baby, she couldn't react to the surprise, but you can see in her that she was really in a surprise mood. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I would love to end this vlog now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and for my returnees, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for growing this channel with me, and please feel free to share the videos. Feel free to tell people about our family. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. So please subscribe so you can be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much, guys. See you all in our next video. Bye bye.